The single arm machine wide chest press is a great exercise to target the chest. Isolating each side independently helps increase the muscle contraction while helping improve any muscle imbalances. I'm using the Iso-lateral Wide Chest Machine from Hammer Strength. Due to the wider motion of the exercise, it's a great way to target the upper outer chest. To get started, adjust the seat to a position that places the handles approximately at chest height. Sit down on the seat with your back firmly planted into the pad. Grip one of the handles with your hand, then contract your chest muscles to press the handle away from your body. I like to place my free hand on the working pec muscle as I feel it helps me create a stronger muscle connection. With your arm extended, squeeze the working pec muscle hard. Under control, slowly bend your elbow to lower the weight without allowing the weights to rest. Repeat all the reps on one side, then switch arms and repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.